In August 2021, the Teslabot project was officially announced at AI Day 1. At that point, it was nothing more than 3 PowerPoint slides and a vision. In the ensuing months, a team was assembled, design began, and construction of a development prototype began in earnest in February 2022. Leading up to AI Day 2, there was radio silence about the project status, save positive words from Elon during an earnings call. However, this dearth of information did not prevent some YouTube talking heads from obsessing for an hour over just one PowerPoint slide and making predictions. The next scrap of information came during the shareholder meeting in August 2022, with the official announcement of AI Day 2. Instead of Dojo, the image on the invitation was a robotic hand. Was it reality or CGI? How many fingers? When a more detailed image appeared days later, this final scrap was like red meat for the talking heads, who went into overdrive to explain how the hand and wrist mechanism might work. Finally, on September 30th, 2022, AI Day 2 arrived, and Optimus, the Teslabot, was the opening act. However, only Bumblebee, the development platform, was able to walk on stage and untethered for the first time. But we were also treated to a video showing its capabilities. It could not only walk, but walk in an office environment, grasp objects, and do useful tasks, including working at an actual station in the Fremont factory. How do I know this for sure? Because Lizzie told me.
This is really an actual station in the Fremont factory as well that it's working at.
Yep.
After this brief demonstration, the technical aspects of Optimus would be revealed. Bumblebee consisted of only off-the-shelf actuators, and only rotary ones at that. It was soon discovered that to make a compelling humanoid robot, bespoke actuators would be necessary, a point Elon has made on numerous occasions since.
We were quite surprised to find how little was available off the shelf. Because there's a vast number of electric motors, gearboxes and whatnot, that are available in the world. And we found none of them were useful in a humanoid robot, literally none. So you have to custom design the actuators for a humanoid robot.
In order to achieve this, the design team had to simulate the typical task expected of the bot, such as walking, squatting, lifting, going upstairs, drilling, screwing, etc. Then calculate the required torques for each joint. Since the bot has 28 structural actuators plus 12 for the hands, this could be a lot of unique motors. However, because of symmetry, only 14 structural actuators needed to be distilled. By doing a commonality study, 6 designs for the structure plus 1 for the hands were identified. Of the 6 structural actuators, 3 are rotational and 3 are translational or linear. One of the predictions before the event were early applications for Optimus, a prediction that both Milan and Elon confirmed.
We're going to start Optimus with very simple tasks in the factory. Like maybe just like loading a part, like you saw in the video, loading a part, carrying a part from one place to another, or loading a part into one of our more conventional robot cells that welds a body together.
We are also going to start focusing on the real use case at one of our factories.
After the event, the talking heads had plenty to talk about for months, but we would have to wait for Investor Day in February 2023 for a status update on the latest generation design. The Investor Day video was a treat, as we could see that the new Optimus could walk, grab rigid and flexible objects, transport to another process, coordinate with a second Optimus, and that Optimus could use human tools. Still, the gate looked plodding and slow. By the next update at the shareholders meeting, we could see at least 5 Optimi, but more importantly, the walking gait improved as unlocking of the hips was now possible. AI training was also improving with new teaching modes and end-to-end inference, as well as improvements to navigation and actuator controls. Starting in the summer of 2023, Optimus models, or Optikins, began appearing in Tesla showrooms around the country. This was the first time the public at large could witness the construction of Optimus robots for themselves. While not functional, they are dimensionally correct using 3D printed parts based on the CAD models. Please join me as we explore the mechanical workings of Optimus.